We award scholarships to young committed international talents to pursue a university degree or apprenticeship in Berlin. A full scholarship includes the funding of tuition fee, accommodation in our student apartment, and a monthly allowance for living expenses. The scholarship is reserved for students from East Africa, South America, Asia, and Africa. In this video, I'll be telling you all that you need to know in order to successfully apply to this particular scholarship in Berlin, Germany. And this particular scholarship will enable you pursue a bachelor's or master's degree in Germany, especially if you are interested to study in Berlin or Potsdam. And in special cases, they also fund professional trainings. So please watch this video to the end so that you can understand other clauses to this particular scholarship.
Hi, my name is Sylvia and subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell. Also, like and share this video with your family and friends.
This scholarship is offered by SBW Berlin, and the objective is to support young people from abroad who come from financially disadvantaged family background. They award you scholarship to pursue Bachelors and Masters degree program at a university or University of Applied Science in Berlin or Potsdam based on the applicant's academic qualification, personal aptitude, and social needs. In general, all scientific and artistic discipline can be funded. And in special cases, the scholarship may support vocational training in Berlin or Potsdam. First things, you must be ready to study in Berlin, Germany or Potsdam for you to be eligible for this particular scholarship. And these are the requirements for this particular scholarship. And here it says SBB Berlin does not charge any application or processing fee. Please take note. Only complete application will be considered. Applicant must submit at least the following documents. You need to fill the application form, your project description, your CV, information about your net household income, and a copy of your last school or university certificate that shows the grade points, and a copy of your highest academic degree qualification. And if available, the copies of the following documents should be included: qualification for university entrance, admission to the university in Berlin or Potsdam where you intend to study, internationally recognized language certificates, and previous work experiences, and all already obtained university certificates and records of achievements. So basically, if you do not have these followings, you can still make the application. That means you can first of all apply for this particular scholarship, but by all means ensure that you apply to the university of your choice immediately after making the application. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you like it and share it with your family and friends. Also, subscribe to the channel to be part of this community. So these are not mandatory, but it's recommended. 2 letters of recommendation and evidence of net household income. Non-certified copies and translations are sufficient for the application, but once they're selected, they will require that you send them certified copies. And the application and supporting documents must be submitted in either English or German. And these are the scholarship benefits. The scholarship includes a room in their shared student flats in Berlin, and the cost of living allowance, which is currently amounting to 480 euros, will be paid to you per month. And it will cover your tuition fees where applicable, and also a travel allowance for the journey to Berlin before the start of your studies and for your journey home after you have completed your studies. The duration of this particular scholarship is a minimum of 30 days and a maximum of 48 months, which is basically 4 years. So this will cover basically your bachelor's and master's program. And these are the application requirements. Applicants must meet the following requirements: between 18 to 30 years of age, professional or volunteer experience in the non-profit sector. You have a strong intention to work in your country of origin for at least 18 months after graduation, and you are able to prove a relatively low net income, and no first-degree family members resides permanently in Germany, and you are able to prove that they have not stayed in Germany for more than 18 months before the application, and your average grade corresponds to a German grading point average of 2.0. Importantly, please note that it says that you must have a strong intention to work in your home country at least 18 months after your graduation. This is very important because if you don't return to your home country after your graduation, then you will be faced with the repayment of this particular scholarship. But if you return to your home country and after 18 months you are free to come back to Germany, that's where you'll not be repaying this particular scholarship. And in order to submit this application, it says application documents can only be submitted online through the SBW website between November 15th and December 31st, and between May 15th and June 30th each year. So basically, this is twice a year. So the second round will be beginning by November 15th. I decided to make this video so that you can get aware of this particular scholarship and prepare your documents so that once it's November 15th, you apply to it. You can also subscribe and turn on your notification, because at this time I would also make a video or post it in my community tab to remind you of this particular application. So please stay tuned. As always, I would encourage you to go through the frequently asked questions to understand more about this scholarship. It has a whole lot of questions covered here, which I might not be able to cover one by one in this video. But note that you must apply to a university of study in Germany, especially in Berlin and Potsdam, to be able to be eligible for this particular scholarship. I would also encourage you to go through this particular website. It has a lot covered. This scholarship is also open for refugees. So please check out this website and take advantage of this particular scholarship opportunity. This is pretty much it. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Like and share this video for others to benefit from it. Drop your comments and concerns and I will respond to each of them. And with this, I want to say thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.